Yep, bafethu sanibonani bafethu. Yeah, bafethu, please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel bafethu. Yeah, bafethu, here's Thembi Nkosi Lorch has scored 2 goals bafethu. One was a penalty and Peneka bafethu. Hi bafethu, Lorch is shining since joining you at Casablanca. I think happy more than he was happy at Orlando Pirates or Mamelodi Sundowns. And another thing bafethu engifuna ukuthi abantu sikhulume ngayo bafethu. I'm not happy ngalento ukuthi uLodge akekho kuBafana Bafana. Lodge Saleng abekho kuBafana Bafana all because they left team A. Bafethu, as fans bafethu asibe neqiniso sometimes bafethu. Just because bahambe ku-Pirates, they don't deserve to play kuBafana Bafana. Bafethu, yazi sometimes angifuni ukuyisho lento le, ngizoyisho ngelinye ilanga. Kunabantu abangibuzayo ukuthi hhayi ungabuyeli emakhaya, ngithi ngizobuyela makushone abanye abogogo. Shuthi nabo Lodge bazoba kuBafana Bafana makwenzeke something. Yabo bafethu, yinto engingayisho manje ukuthi how come Lodge uperforme kahle ku-Club World Cup? Performe kahle umfana sukela Club World Cup up until now. Akawisi form. Abosibelebele ukora 1 goal, 2 goals against Sundowns sekayi-national team product. Sekayi-national team product. Abantu ekudala bafukuza ku-P_S_L. Abantu bokuthi iform yabo manje isukumile and they are playing to prove a point. They don't get called up bafethu. Angeke ngimention uSaleng because abantu bazothi uyenzeni ku-Orbit. I'm mentioning uThembi Nkosi Lorch now. Ngitsheleni ishona ukuthi uyenzeni akabonakali. Hayi. Bafethu i-wrong lento eyenza amanye ama-club. I-wrong. Regardless ukuthi wena you've been in soccer for over 8 years. You running the best team in South Africa or the biggest team. I-wrong lento ukuthi wena abantwana abancane uba i-gatekeeper ebholweni. Hayi. Abosaleng bonke abo-Lodge bakhala ngomuntu oyi-one, abo-Innocent Mdledle. Hayi bafethu, we need Lodge. Hugo Broos yekela ukukhojiwa bhuti. Hawu.